Good morning guys, I'm Christina. Welcome to the first official day of Vlogmas. So how Vlogmas is going to work for me is I'm going to do 12 days of Vlogmas. I can't commit to uploading every single day, especially because YouTube is not my full-time job. But for now, we're settling with 12 videos for Vlogmas. So I hope you guys are excited. And in today's video, I thought it would be so much fun if we went to all the stores to see their decorations. Maybe get some new Christmas room decor because I really want to spruce up my room and make it feel festive AF. And then in my next Vlogmas video, I will show you guys decorating my room. So let's go to the shops and see what they have. Wow, the lighting in here is not popping right now. Anyways, I just made it to Marshall's. I'm like super excited to see what they have for Christmas stuff because they always have the cutest stuff. So let's go. Why did I just lock my car? Debating if I need new ornaments for my tree. I don't know, these are cute. I don't even remember what my ornaments look like. I love this, but I feel like it's very loud. Like under my gray blanket. What do you guys think? And this pillow, by the way, is to die for. If I could find sheets like these, then I would definitely get them. I love the hint of red. So I just finished at Marshall's. I got some stuff. And I also just want to say, I have no idea how people can do shop with me's because when I was filming in there for like the 15-second clips I was doing, I literally could feel in my chest my anxiety was like popping out, and I was like, oh my god, everybody's staring at me like I'm such a weirdo. But I'm gonna go to the Superstore now. I think they would have a better selection for bed sheets than Walmart. Any of you watch KK and Baby J, please tweet them this video. They need to get Landon this. Oh my god, it's Racutie! So I found a whole bunch of flannel sheets. They still have this pattern. Ugh, I just want something more subtle. Like, this is plain, this is cute, but I feel like it's kind of like masculine for me. I love these. Anything that's like this is my ish. I want one of these. How much is this? $40. I love you, but you can wait. I love this, but it's $45. This is high-key my favorite part. Oh my god. I wish Colby would wear things like this. Everything's so cute. Oh, look at this one. It's a reindeer. Oh my god. Surprise, it's a new day. As you can tell, it's light outside now. So I'm going out again today to do a little bit more Christmas decorating, hunting, I guess, because I just kind of ran out of time yesterday. We're trying HomeSense today. It is also snowing like crazy outside. Anyways, I will see you guys when I get to HomeSense. I'm hoping for good things, but we'll see. found this. Super cute. And then deciding between these two. I like this because it's more neutral, but this is much more Christmassy, so I'll probably end up with this. I don't know if you guys can see, but it is snowing so hard. Wow. Like, look at this. That's not dandruff, y'all. That is snow. Look. Oh my god. It's just covered. Okay, usually I'm not a fan of snow, but I don't mind this. It's very fitting for Vlogmas. So I just finished up with my shopping. I'm currently driving home because honestly today was so successful, which I'm super excited about. But when I do get home, I will definitely show you guys everything that I got, which I'm super pumped about. And then like I said earlier, my next video will be me decorating. Also, I just want to say, why the hell are pillows so damn expensive? Like, I found so many today and they're just so pricey. I was very sad about it, to be honest, because I just want like a cute Christmassy pillow, but at this point I'm kind of like, do I just make one my own? Like, do I just literally sew fabric together and stuff it and get it for like $5 instead of $50? Yes, I'm still bitter. Anyways, I will see you guys when I get home and I will show you all the goodies, which I'm so pumped about. Yay! Hi guys, say hello. So I found so many goodies. Let's start with HomeSense. So you guys know that I've been looking for like Christmassy sheets and I finally found some, which I'm very excited about. So I picked up these. They are like a red, gray, and white plaid, and they're flannel, which means they're so soft. They're by the brand Nordic North, which I know is a good brand, so I'll have these for a while. And like, look how pretty with my gray sheets, and then I have 2 gray pillows that I sleep on. I just want a decorative pillow, but I already told you guys how expensive those are, and I'm just not feeling the price of any of them. Then from Michael's, I got a couple things. So I found these really, ooh, sorry buddy. Just dropped it on my dog, but I found these really pretty, they're called candle rings, but I probably won't use them for candle rings. I thought it would be pretty if I tied a ribbon to one of these and put it on like my wall as a wreath. And then I came up with something. I found this little tray, which is actually an ashtray, but I don't smoke, so I'm just using it for my jewelry on my night table. But I thought it'd be so cool if I put this in the center. It literally fits perfectly, and that is just gonna hold my jewelry. Like, how cute. Next, I'll do Marshalls. I just got one thing. So on my desk, if you guys saw my room makeover video, I'll link it down below or up here in the iCard so you guys know what I'm referring to. But on my desk, I have a little Zen corner. It has a succulent, a candle, some books, and my sign. So my letter sign I'm gonna change for Christmas. And I just wanna change up that corner so it's more festive, you know? So I got this, which I thought was so cute. It is a candle, but I don't think I'll ever burn it. But I love, can you like not? I love how it looks like bark, and I love these berry things. You guys will see I have a thing for these berries. I mean, you already saw from the little wreath thingies. It's a trend, you know? It's so pretty. I love this. It was only like a couple dollars, so I was like, hell yeah. And even the cashier was like, oh my god, this is so cute. And I was like, right. And last but not least, the dollar store, which honestly I had the most success at, and it's the one place I probably got the most but spent the least. So I got this little gift card holder. This doesn't have anything to do with decor, but for Christmas I usually give away a gift card or a couple, so I just thought this was like a really cute little present box. So again, if you guys are like looking for things like this, the dollar store has this. It was only $1.25, so like you cannot go wrong. And you guys, I finally found a tree skirt, perfect size for my tree. So my tree is not your typical like 8 to 10 feet. It's more of like a 4 to 4.5 feet tree, so it's smaller. I definitely don't need a massive tree skirt, but I also can't get like the tiny ones that are meant for the little trees. So dollar store had one. I think this one was 36 inches or something. I'm sorry if you hear rummaging. My dog is so damn nosy, but it's super soft. I think this was only $4, which is amazing because all the other tree skirts I saw were literally $50, which is insane. So again, if you guys are looking for cute decor but you don't want to spend that much, go to the dollar store. So it's just super simple. You guys will see it much better once I set everything up. It's just your typical tree skirt. It's red, it's cute. And going back to my desk idea, so instead of buying like a $30 decor piece that I'm only gonna have in my room for like a month or something. I figured I would make my own. So I have a vase that I use for flowers. It's just white clear. So I thought it would be cute if I filled it with pine cones, and I'm probably gonna paint the tip of these white just so they, you know, have that little bit of extra flair. And then I'm also going to put in these red berries just to add some color. And then around the vase, I want to put this like plaid bow. So again, you guys will see once I do it, but this was so cheap. Literally all of this I think was like $7 or something. But like, it just goes to show, are you gonna spend $30 on a decor piece, or are you gonna DIY it and spend $7? And those pine cones smell like cinnamon. Just so good. I literally brought them up to the cash register and the guy was like, oh, that's what I could smell. And I'm like, right, they smell so good. And he's like, I love them so much. But anyways, that is everything I got. I am so excited to decorate, and if you guys are excited to see me decorate, then be sure to have my post notifications on so you guys can see when I upload Vlogmas day 2, because it will be me decorating my room all Christmassy, bringing up my Christmas tree, and I can't wait. I love Christmas so much. I'm just so pumped. But I guess I'll just end this video here. So thank you guys so much for watching Vlogmas day 1. If you guys are as excited for Vlogmas as I am, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know down below. I hope you guys are having a great day or night whenever you're watching this. And remember that you are beautiful, you are loved, and you are uniquely you. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.